Here's how to solve a system of equations by graphing. Recall that a system of equations is two equations that we look at together. We consider these two equations and try to figure out what's going on with them. To solve a system of equations means that we want to find the ordered pair, that is the x and the y, that works in both equations. When I plug a number in for x and another number in for y, it makes both of the equations true. One way to solve a system of equations is by graphing. To do this means that we graph both equations and find where they intersect. Let's take a look at an example. So we have the equation y equals 2/3 x plus 3 and the equation y equals negative 1/3 x plus 6. To solve this system, I want to know what value of x and what value of y, when I plug them into both equations, is going to make both equations true. So let's start by graphing our first one. Notice that our y-intercept is 3. So I'll put a nice dot right there on 3. My slope is 2/3, which means up 2 and right 3, up 2 and right 3, or that can be a negative 2 over a negative 3, which is down 2 and left 3, down 2 and left 3. Okay? I'm not going to connect those dots yet, but those dots are very important because I'm looking for the exact point where they intersect each other. So let's go on to our second line. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 6. My y-intercept is 6, so it's 6 on the y-axis. I'm going to put a dot there. And now my slope is negative 1/3. That means down 1, right 3. Oh look, I've already got a dot there. But let's keep going. Down 1, right 3, or up 1, left 3. And as you can probably already see, the lines are going to intersect right here. They're going to intersect at this point right here, which on the coordinate plane is the point 3, 5. So I write my answer as an ordered pair, 3, 5. And that's the solution to this system. In other words, if I plug 3 in for x and 5 in for y, this equation is true. And the same thing is true of the second equation. If I plug a 3 in for x and a 5 in for y, this equation is true as well.